Hi. I get paranoid as heck at night. That's not the word that came out of my head. But I stayed up really late tonight because I could not sleep because I was having like things and I was just like getting paranoid and crazy and stuff. Because that's how I get at night. So I stayed up late and I was watching Lisa Bug, aka Lisa Schwartz's new video or new show on ABC. And it's pretty good. And I watched this other one that was after it, Forever 31 or something. I'm like, I really like those shows. But then I was like, I got cashews in there. If I can't sleep, I might as well try making some vegan cheese. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. Raspberry has a lovely effect of making its juice purple. And I like purple. Yeah, so I am just doing this. And this looks like a very bad science experiment gone wrong. I'm tired. I'll go back to bed. But yeah. I don't think I need to be doing any more vegan crap, but I think I overmixed that. So I don't think it's going to come out the right way. It's supposed to be vegan cheese, but who knows what it's going to come out to be. And I made some raspberry. Oh, it looks like such a kid drink. I'm using my nephew's cup, but it looks like such a kid drink. It's raspberry with bananas and the rest of the cashew in there. Because I mixed cashews and chili lime peanuts that I had left over. And got this lovely banana, raspberry, whatever you want to call it. Oh, pears are in there too. It has like a fruity drink. Fruity smoothie. Oh, you can taste the bananas. Might look purple, but it tastes like bananas. So it's the next day. I finally dried most of it, and I don't know. It doesn't taste too much like cheese, but it kind of does with the cashews. It has a nutty, cheesy flavor. Probably didn't come out the way it was supposed to, but it's good. Tastes like nuts. It's yummy. Okie doke. Alright then. Yeah, it's yummy. Okay, bye.